5 proven tips for better contract tracking. Contract tracking may not sound exciting, but get it wrong, and you're staring down missed deadlines, lost revenue, and major headaches. Get it right, and you save time, reduce risk, and keep your business on track. Here are 5 proven tips for better contract tracking. Tip 1. Excel equals version chaos, but contract tracking software equals control and calm. Don't rely on Excel. Spreadsheets are error-prone, messy, and impossible to scale. Modern software gives you automated alerts, easier reporting, and far fewer headaches. Tip 2. Be proactive, not reactive. Stay ahead of deadlines. Set reminders weeks or months in advance so you're never caught off guard. Even 15 minutes a day can save you from last-minute fire drills. Tip 3. Clear ownership equals less risk. If everyone's responsible, no one's responsible. Designate an owner or contract tracking lead who can delegate tasks, keep everyone accountable, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Tip 4. One system, one source of truth. Centralize your contracts. Stop scattering files across drives, inboxes, and cabinets. One secure system means less chaos, faster search, and full visibility. Tip 5. Automation plus AI equals smarter contract tracking. Automate with software. Cloud-based contract tracking handles reminders, reporting, and even AI-powered search, so your team can focus on strategy, not spreadsheets. With ContractSafe, contract tracking is refreshingly simple. Automated alerts, powerful search, unlimited users, and AI that answers your contract questions instantly. Ready to trade the chaos for control? That's just the quick version. Check out the blog for the complete story.